smell of old paper and mahogany dust, a legacy built on a scholar's trust. I used to sit in the corner of this very room, watching the evening shadows start to bloom. Between the sociology and the weight of the law, I heard a different rhythm in everything I saw. My father spoke of systems, of the way the world moves, but I found the logic in the deep soul grooves. One hand on the textbook, the other on the dial, trying to map the distance of a secret smile. He gave me the structure, the frame and the light, but I found the melody in the middle of the night. So welcome to the archives, the heart and the stone, where the seeds of two lineages finally have grown. It's more than a lecture, it's more than a song. It's the place where the silk and the spirit belong. Open the ledger, let the needle find the grain. Let the professor study, wash away the rain. It's time to begin. It's time to begin. Velvet and Vow.